Hey class, my name is Lucas Wiener, and today I'm going to be doing the Week 8 discussion question 2, which is our final video post and final discussion question. And in this discussion question, we're supposed to basically talk about make up our own discussion question and then answer it. So the discussion question I made up and decided to answer is, what is something that you felt worked well for you during this class, and what is something that could be improved, or something that you didn't like as much. So starting off with the good side, what I really liked about this class would definitely have to be the flexibility that came along with this online format, because I have a restaurant job and the hours are just weird and messed up. So being able to do math whenever I needed to, with still with the deadlines, of course, but whenever I wanted to during that week, just the flexibility was really nice. So say even like as a night person, even if I wanted to get work done at like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, the flexibility in this class allowed me to do that, and there wasn't any set times for when I had to be on. So just the flexibility overall was really nice in this class. Something that I didn't like as much is, since it is an online class, you with no Zoom calls or anything you have to attend, you aren't really in person with the teacher. You can't ask the teacher face to face or over a video call a question. So a lot of times I found myself, if I couldn't find the answer in that like online book that we could read through, a lot of times I just have to turn to Google to try and find my answers, which isn't obviously the best resource for that kind of thing. So that was one of the things that I found a little bit frustrating, a little bit annoying, which is kind of like a give and take. You get the flexibility, but you have to give up that actual interaction, that actual, you can't really ask questions to teach or anything, which you can through emails, but it's still a little bit more difficult. And a lot of times I just found myself going to Google and trying to find the answer there, or Khan Academy was a great place as well. They have a lot of great stuff on there. But overall, I would say that it was a little bit frustrating. I had to find it somewhere else other than the actual textbook, because I thought that was a little bit limited with what it talked about. It kind of gave you the basics, and then for the more complex stuff, more complex answers, a lot of times I had to turn elsewhere to find out how to solve this or find the answers. So yeah, there's my discussion question. Overall, what I really liked was the flexibility, but then with that, you can't really ask questions, and a lot of times the online book was a little bit limited in what it had to offer in terms of teaching, so I had to turn to other places, which was a little bit frustrating, a little bit annoying. But overall, I would say that the flexibility is definitely worth the flexibility was worth having to go through a little bit of difficulty to find those answers. So overall, I really love this class. I was really glad I got to participate in it, and I really like the format that it's in. And overall, I think that it's a really great class. Thanks.